Hi there, my name is Polina, and in this video I will guide you through our employee management template. First of all, let's start from the structure. I'm going into the creators mode, and here we see that we have here three databases: employee, salary, and one-on-one. Employee will gather information about all the employees, when they joined the company, the birthday date, the country, the phone number, any type of data that you're interested in. Then there will be one-on-ones. These will be meetings that we can plan across the time and see how the employee is performing, how do they feel, these kind of things. And there are also salaries. Yes, salary is a normal database here. Usually you can think of it rather just as a number, how much the employee has. But in fact, it can be a separate database because usually we want not only to track the current amount, but also when it was granted, when was the last raise, how big was the raise. To gather those details, we have salary as a separate database. And one trick, employees are connected to different employees, so it will be also possible to support the hierarchy. Let's go and see how it looks. The first view that we have here is called employees hierarchy. Here we can see all the employees, and as you see, some of them have this triangle and some of them do not. If I click on the triangle, I will see that under Jan also we have a Pete takeover. What does it mean? It means that Pete reports to Jan, and here Pete is subordinate from Jan. He reports to him. You can see this in the rows under the row tab. So we see employees grouped by reports to. You can remove this group. It will be just a simple list, or you can bring it back. You'll see some nice grouping. You can also see here some details. You can decide whether you want to see more details here, start date, birthday date, or you can hide the columns that you will not use. You can also open the employees card from here, just this. We can make it look a bit more wide. Here you can see all the details from this employee, and there are two more Fibery fields. Reports to. Here you will be able to see all the employees that we potentially can have, and the hierarchy of subordinates can be unlimited. Jan has subordinates Pete, Pete has subordinates Ivan, Ivan has subordinates John. This is unlimited, this is up to define when to stop. And there is also Fibery user. We need it because and sometimes they are not. If they are not, we still want to be able to manage information about them. This is why we don't use Fibery users for those purposes. But if we want to apply permissions have to be applied to Fibery users. This is why this if we go to the filter, we'll see that participants Fibery users contains me. How it works? I will open one-on-one, and here I have participants. These are the employees. However, there is a technical field hidden from normal users, which is called participants Fibery users. Once you assign a Fibery user to the specific participant, then you will see who are those Fibery users. And again, this button defines who is logged as a person, then it will check which employee this user is associated with, and then will show only meetings for this specific employee. And then we have also all salaries. Here we can have a button current salaries only, so if I click it, I will be able to see the past salary as well. If I click on it, I will see a list of all the salaries across all the employees. Probably the next question will be, hey, but I want some information be public about the employees, but everything else I want to be very secret, or even I want to say that HR managers can see everything. However, employees can see their performance reviews, they can see their salaries, but they cannot see information about any others. And we can even extend it and say that team leads have to see information about their subordinates. This is possible. Good news. So I recommend you go into the to the README. Yes. And we have here a link to the guide in the end, control access to sensitive salary information. There you will find step-by-step guide how to configure this kind of access because this is possible. If you have any questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.